Hello, let's have a look at an unusual situation, which is where you need to just pull down the midtones. Normally we're talking about with curves and things that you're looking for boosting and making things look more alive and so on, but sometimes you just need to pull things back. This picture here, let's have a look if we put some curves on it. So let's go up to curves and bring up this here. So if we take this picture here and we try boosting this, it just goes rather a little too bit bright there, doesn't it? You know, the things are starting to burn out here and so on. They're looking a little bit bright. But if you start putting things back, then parts of it are okay, but other bits are going wrong. So this bit here, for example, this should be white. You know, but it's going a bit rather grey, isn't it? And the blacks as well, and the darks are kind of, this whole thing's getting a bit dark. So what we kind of want to do is to keep the high end stable and the low end stable, and then just pull back the middle a little bit. So it's not changing it so much, but it's just damping down those rather overexcited midtones. A slightly easier way to do this, which if we reset this, is if you pull it back a bit, just looking at the midtones, and just simply grab one of these and push it up. Yeah, so somewhere around here, push it up to the line. So then that keeps the highlights and the shadows on the line, that has not changed. And we can then just do a little bit of tweaking to the midtones. So it's not something you do too often, but now and again you get a picture where it needs to be pulled back just a bit. So there we go, it's the middle pullback. So hope you like that one, just an unusual one. And thanks very much for watching. Bye now.